Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up free Claude Code access using OpenCode API Key. I have already installed Git VS Code in Windows 11. Now I am going to install Claude Code. Open web browser. Go to Google search. Type here, quick start Claude Code. Hit enter. Go to first link. Quick start Claude Code, let's click on it. Scroll down. This is Windows PowerShell command to install Claude Code on Windows. But I am using Windows command. Click on copy. Go to Windows search. Type CMD here. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Click accept all cookies. Paste the copied command here. Press enter. It getting error to run, sometime it happen. Now run again this command. Setting up Claude Code. Installing Claude Code. Claude Code successfully installed. You need to add this path in environment variable. Select this path. Copy this path. Go to Windows search. Type environment. Click on edit the system environment variables. Click environment variables. Select path. Click edit. Click new. Paste the path here. Click OK. OK. Click OK. Now the path is set. Close command prompt. Now we have successfully installed and set the Claude path in system environment variable. Now run Claude. Go to Windows search. Type CMD here. Click command prompt. Type Claude. Hit enter. Now the Claude is open. It will showing mode, dark mode and light mode. I will go with dark mode. Press enter. Now you can see. It asks to valid subscription, Anthropic console account and third-party platform. Now I am using OpenCode API Key for free Claude access. Close Claude Code. Open new tab in browser. Type OpenCode AI. Hit enter. Scroll down. Click on OpenCode, the open source AI coding agent. Click on Zen. Click Get started with Zen. Click on Continue with Google. Now we have successfully logged in with Google account. Click on API Keys. Click Create API Key. Type key name. Free Claude. Click Create. Now the key is created. Minimize web browser. Open this PC. Open C drive. Open users. Open admin folder. Open .claude folder. Right-click on settings. Click open. It will open in VS Code. Hit enter. I have Zen Code. I will provide in description box. Open this notepad. Click just once. Select all these codes. Right-click. Copy these codes. Minimize notepad. Paste the code here. Go to browser. As you can see, I have two keys. One is test key, which I earlier created, and another one is free Claude key, which I just created. Both keys are working. I can do that by copying any key for free Claude access. Copy the key. Minimize web browser. Select OpenCode API Key. Paste the key here. Type comma here. Go to File. Click Save. Click Close. Now Claude Code open again. Go to Windows Search. Type CMD here. Click Command Prompt. Type Claude. Press Enter. Press Enter again. Do you want to use this API key? Select Yes. Hit Enter. Press Enter to continue. Yes, I trust this folder. Press Enter. Now Claude Code is open for use. Claude model is Mimimax 2.5-free. Type here, hi, hit Enter. It asks how can I help you? Create a code Python loop program. Hit Enter. Now result is here. Do you want to create loop_demo.py? I will don't save this file right now. Select No. Hit Enter. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up free access Claude Code using OpenCode API Key. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.